tried AI automation every single day for 30 and I ended up making $2,500. I wasn't expecting the results to look like. Some of it shocked me. So if you've been wondering whether AI can actually help you make money, this video is for you. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B. This is part 3 of my AI side hustle series, and today I'm showing you exactly what happened when I used AI consistently for a full month. What worked, what failed, and what I would do if I had to start all over again. During these 30 days, I tested 4 AI workflows. 1. Using AI to speed up content creation. 2. Offering simple AI-powered services. 3. Trying automation tools that run in the background. 4. Using AI to build digital products. These took 5 to 10 minutes a day. Nothing complicated, just consistent action. And results really started stacking up once I found the right mix. Let me be real, not everything worked. AI can't magically run a business for you. Some tools broke, some automations never triggered. And generic AI writing? Too oversaturated unless you're extremely niche. If you expect AI to do all the work with zero effort, you're gonna be disappointed. The strategy matters more than the software. Now let's talk about what actually made money. The first thing that worked was using AI to speed up content. I could outline videos faster, write scripts in minutes, and find hooks that kept people watching. The more consistently I posted, the more views I got. The second method was offering microservices powered by AI. Things like profile audits, resume cleanups, rewriting descriptions, and simple digital tasks. These took minutes to complete, and people were willing to pay for fast delivery and clarity. And the third thing was digital products. AI helped me create templates and guides that could sell over and over again. This is where you start building long-term, passive-style income. So here's the honest breakdown after 30 days. I made $2,500 total using the combinations of those methods. My content output doubled, my editing time dropped, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, I finally felt like I had a system that I could repeat. There was no giant overnight moment. It was small wins stacking up consistently. Now that I know what works, part 4 of this series will focus on scaling these AI workflows into a real monthly system. Something you can use to reach $2K to $5K a month with simple automation steps. If you're enjoying this series, drop a comment and let me know which AI tool you want me to test next. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 4. This is Sharon B of Life by Sharon B, and I'll see you in the next one.